Okay guys, bali good day sa inyong lahat. Maglilinis tayo ng aircon, wall mounted split type. Unahin natin ang condensing unit. Po yun. Yan. Kita naman po ninyo kung gaano karumi ang condenser. So kailangan natin linisan ng condensing unit and indoor unit, yung evaporator niya. So bali dito sa cottage to ng resort. Ito ang kanyang wall mounted split type na inverter. Bali running siya ngayon. So sa paglilinis lang, nagamit lang tayo ng pressure washer machine na hindi masyadong malakas. We are only using water to clean the condensing unit and also the evaporator, the FCU. Check this out. So hindi na natin binuksan because yung loob naman ng fan motor blower, which is seal type siya, yung pinaka housing ng motor. Then kasi dito sa resort more on quantity ang work. Alam mo naman yung business Okay, for the meantime, yun lang muna may upload ko sa ngayon. For other next video, I will upload another task related in air conditioning and also refrigeration, commercial refrigeration, walk-in chiller, walk-in freezer. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.